Welcome to the DocASAP Telehealth Review. Usage experience links are below. DocASAP simplifies connecting patients and healthcare providers. It streamlines appointments, telehealth consultations, and communication, making it ideal for individuals and organizations seeking efficient healthcare access. DocASAP prioritizes timely care from the right provider while boosting healthcare system efficiency. Its intelligent patient matching system connects patients with the best provider based on needs, location, insurance, and preferences. Book primary care, specialist visits, or telehealth sessions hassle-free. See real-time appointment availability and book instantly, skipping the back and forth of traditional scheduling. For telehealth, DocASAP offers a secure, user-friendly interface for virtual consultations. It integrates with major EHR systems, ensuring accurate information sharing between providers and patients for seamless follow-ups and care continuity. DocASAP's back-end tools manage workflows, reduce no-shows with automated reminders, and optimize scheduling. It's perfect for patients valuing convenient, transparent scheduling and for providers wanting to enhance access and efficiency. It's especially helpful for busy individuals seeking quick care or smooth telehealth with minimal hassle. DocASAP simplifies healthcare access and scheduling. Whether you're a patient seeking convenient care or an organization improving patient engagement, DocASAP is a highly effective tool. Learn more and get started, check the links below.